Hello students, we are going to cover 6.5 work done by the variable force. Here, as you know already, the formula of work, that is W is equals to force into displacement. Here the force is variable in practice. We are considering this diagram. We have taken x and f of x. So we are considering the initial displacement xi and final displacement is what? Xf. The displacement it is covered by the body is from initial position, that is xi, to the final position, that is xf. It can be considered to be made up from infinite number of strips. Here we are considering, and you know that the delta x, it is what? A displacement, and it is a small. So here we are considering the initial position is xi and final position xf. It is made up from number of strips. Here we have considered number of strip, and out of that strip we are considering delta x. You will observe here the delta x. So f of x, it may be considered to be constant over this delta x. So we can write the formula for delta w for this. So the work done, delta w, is equals to what? F of x into delta x. So f of x is what here? It is a force, and delta x, it is what? Displacement. But the delta x is what here? Very small. And you know that here we have taken, it is from initial position to the final position. So the work done, we can find out here. W, total work done, is obtained by the adding the rectangular areas of the strip shown under that curve. So you know that we can write it is in the form of summation. So what we can write? W is equals to sum of xi, means what here? Initial position to the final position xf, f of x delta x. And you know that the value of delta x, it is what? Very small, and f of x is a constant at that time. See here we have shown with the help of red arrow. Here area delta a, it is nothing but what? F of x delta x, and it's equals to delta w. Here we have also obtained the equation for a total work done, that is sum of xi to xf, means from initial position to the final position f of x delta x. We can write the formula for w also. In that case we are considering the displacement are allowed to approach the zero. The displacement is a very small, so that we can consider limit delta x tends to 0. Then the summation approaches a definite value equal to area under that curve, because we have to find out the total work. So you will observe here we have to find out this total work. Then the summation approaches a definite value, and it is nothing but what? Area under that curve. So see in diagram we have to find out the area under the curve, and the formula is that here w is equals to what? We can write limit delta x tends to 0 sum of xi to xf, f of x delta x. So this is the work done by the variable force. So you can solve the example 6.5 from your textbook. Thank you.